We're here at the PVSC IEEE PVSC Solar Conference in Washington, D.C., and we're demonstrating the Sinton Instruments solar simulator being measured by an Avantes dual channel spectroradiometer. On the bottom is the power supply for the solar simulator. In the middle is a dual channel spectroradiometer covering 300 to 1200 nanometers. First channel covers 300 to 850, and the second channel covers from 800 to 1200 nanometers with a special long pass filter at 695 nanometers. The top box is a trigger box, which is used to trigger the spectrometer and such that we make sure we're capturing the flash lamp in perfect timing. So Ryan is flashing the solar simulator now. We're acquiring 5 spectra to average. At the base of this is a 90-degree cosine corrector, which is specially designed, connected to a bifurcated cable, which is feeding the 2 spectrometers. The software is developed by a company called Sinton Instruments. They are a company that is a customer of Avantes Inc., and they developed the software for their own internal use and decided to make it available for resale. The software enables the performance of flashed or continuous wave solar simulator measurements. It can handle single or dual channel spectrometer configurations, and the software settings allow for looking at a normalized spectrum, looking at a raw spectrum, which is, you can see the 2 channels on there, the red and the blue. It also allows for setting the point of capture that's desired within a pulse. Obviously there's the rising edge of the pulse, and you can set to be measuring at the rising edge or at the tail of the pulse, and you can set the time interval where you want to capture the spectra. After the software is activated, the spectrometer software is measuring and then doing averaging of the different spectra, and one can choose whether you want to use a air mass 1.5 or some other global spectrum to compare against. You can also decide if you want to do the classification, what type of classification, whether you want the IEEE 60904 2007 standard or the new proposed IEEE 60904-9 2016 standard, which goes out to 1200 nanometers. Software is available from Sinton Instruments, and this can be purchased through Avantes Inc.